Hello, I'm challabi13432613. I'm going to explain Northampton Airlines booking company, which made by Java programming language, as we can see here, which is the company which provide to area manager area and the user area. In the manager area, the manager can log in and add a new flight to the system, and in the user area, where the user can book a flight from the system. Firstly, start with the manager area, where let's make the manager log in and add a new flight to the system. I'm sorry for using keyboard on screen because my laptop keyboard is broken. Password of the manager. Sorry for that. And just click login, so can the user log into the system. As we can see here, now the manager can add the flight to the system by just fill all this information: the airline, the name of the airline, the user, the manager will add it. From the departures of the airline, and destinations, destination of the flights, duration, how much time it will take the flights. Let's say it's number of the flights, and time. Let's say this is a daily flight. And the price, finally the price of the flights. And by just click save, the flight will add to the system. As we can see here, this is the message: say your flight is added to the system. And now we can just log out from the system. Now we can just log out from the system. As we can see here, the manager is log out now. Now let's start with the user area, where the user can just book a flight by just click on that button, and he will find all the available flights in the system. This is all available flights in the system. By just if he just click, it will say just please choose your first. And also if we clicked on this button, so we need to click select flights, and if he choose the one-way flight, he need to fill this information: the departure date of the flight and his name, the name of the user, and his email also. Let's assume that's his email. And he need to choose from these if he need to choose from this optional if he choose from this these two, he can choose one of it, because he need to choose first class or business class. If he just click on business class and he just want one of this, he can just book his ticket on the flight. It will say his which flight he will be gone on it, and his flight and the airport of his flight, and his destination, his name, and his ticket, and his the date of the flight, and finally the price. This is null because this is for return if he chose return flight. And but just click OK, and if he just change his mind and he want to go on return flight, and he just click on return and just fill the return date he need, let's say that, and maybe he just change his mind and he want to go on his first class and he wants this. He can just click on book, and all the flights will all the message will show him all his needed information. Now let's back. This is the price of the flight he is selected, and let's say he just click on one way and he didn't choose any one of this. Just the business seat. This is his information. And now let's back. This is the information that he chose of his flight that he chose, that should be in a file created for him, for her, or for his. But just refresh it, and that's the file that's created for the user that he just book a flight from the system, as the same as the message is the name of the flight, and the departure, destination, his name, his email, return date, the departure date and return date, and also the price of his ticket. And as we can see, this is the class that made all the program, which provides as the booking class that for the user, and that is the manager class for the manager. Thank you for listening.